Today on Island Life Live, robots are predicted to outmatch surgeons in a matter of years. What's the scoops with that? Details coming up.
And last night we said goodbye to two more American Idol hopefuls. Brother Sam joins us to share his bangers. Who really rocked the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame show? You gotta hear this today on Island Life Live.
From Mocha to Mackay and all around the islands, we bring aloha everywhere we go. Island Life Live.
Aloha and mahalo for joining us right here on Island Life Live. I'm Davey D.
And I'm Lina Girl. We've got an awesome show lined up just for you.
Yes, the pro at Kalawao has got something special this week that is family-friendly, pet-friendly, and tummy-friendly. Yum! Details right around the corner.
And the Wahiawa Value-Added Product Development Center is celebrating a big milestone with free grinds, and you're invited. But first, what's the scoops?
And we are back from a wonderful weekend over at in Hilo for the Merry Monarch. And we want to say ho'omai ka'i to all the halo that participated in this year's Merry Monarch Festival. Of course, big congratulations to overall winner Hula Halo o Kamuela, of course, under the direction of Kunevamuk and Kaui'u Onalani Kamana'o.
Kumuhula Lina Ala Pavao Jardine and the ladies of Kalei Mokihana o Lina Ala were absolutely amazing. And of course, from the same halau, the 2025 Miss Aloha Hula was crowned. That's Jaden Janai Pua Haulani Pavao. For the men, ho'omai ka'i tu na kamale o Lilile Hua Kumu Robert Uluwehi o na Pui Kavekiu o Kalani Casimiro took overall winner for the Kane category.
It was so awesome to be there on Hawaii Island and just see the spirit of collaboration between all the different vendors and businesses.
Yes.
And then at nighttime, things get into that competitive
that
mode.
competition. You feel that vibe. And again, congratulations to Uluwehi, Robert Casimiro, 50 years.
Amazing.
As serving as a kumuhula.
That is
was
so
beautiful.
awesome.
Yeah. You know, it was so wonderful to see our hula on that historic stage, brother.
You know, and there are halau all over the globe. I know, get Japan, of course, like 2 million dancers in Japan, Mexico, across the continental United States. But sis, you don't think that robots and AI will ever replace hula dancers, right?
What? Why? Where's that thought coming from, brother?
No, only reason
He's
because
scaring me.
they're becoming so fluid in their movements. In fact, Elon Musk, the owner of Tesla and SpaceX, posted this morning on X that robots will outmatch surgeons in a matter of years. How comfortable are you with that?
Well, I already know that surgeons are already using robots. In fact, we have a robot doctor that comes and joins us every now and then right here. He's an orthopedic surgeon, and he actually uses robotics so that he can get in and do things with incredible precision. You know, so he's aided by robots, but of course he's in the surgery, you know, he's in the room, the OR room with that robot. I don't know about turning things over to robots. I mean, no, can you sue a robot if they do the wrong leg? You know, it's just
I have no idea, but this is very nervous. But again, talk about precision. I mean, you can program these robots, but imagine if, like, I mean, I'm just kind of like, you know, I don't skate a cat. So I mean, imagine if the thing is doing this thing and all of a sudden you're on power outage, or there's like, you know, what is that EMP where it wipes out the grid and things.
Well, that's probably why Elon Musk is totally confident about that, because, you know, the creator of the Tesla, batteries, battery backups, that's what he's all about, right? But so, you know.
We've also heard about Tesla in the news where things like just, you know, spontaneously combust. So that's why I'm afraid of it. But the machines, they are not yet available, but they are being described as capable of performing tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or boring.
To be honest with you, that's actually a good idea, because some surgeons, they work 20-hour shifts, and you know, the one surgeon you don't want is the one that's been up for 18 hours before he works on you or she works on you, right? So there might be a reason for that.
Yeah, well,
but not hula dancing. No way.
Although they're getting pretty. I mean,
you still need some human action for that.
Yeah, you need the eyebrows. You know what I mean? All right, let's send things over to our Island News team. Leo Iko Holokula is standing by with today's top stories. Hi, Lei.